guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I don't come again, Akubekia Umuda. I go to beat you, sha. I go to beat you. As you come, help me to share. Looking at that, Akubekia say, and Jumofuma still dey gallant, strong. Put my picture for there, for all I care. You are a nobody. Put my picture, screenshot time. You no go do pass Infinity Saga. You no go do pass Atwari Camp. So screenshot my picture. Do much damages as much as you can. As much as you can. Do much damages, but one thing is certain. I'm gonna beat you with superior arguments for this politics. I go beat you with superior knowledge, which you don't have. You don't have it. So this is my feed. I go to beat you. I go to beat you, sha. I dey laugh. I dey challenge you. I say bring all your team. Let's go on a political debate. Any feed, any area for life. Let's go to any table, any show. Not be my show, not be your show. We'll call Elvis Edigi, Nigeria Watch. Make it bring all of us, all these political prostitutes, those greenhorns. Let's debate elaborately with facts and figures. Let us see who has superior knowledge. Let us see. Bring your team. Bring IK. Bring Domumu. Bring all of them. I challenge all of you now, because it's high time we know who gets superior knowledge for this Edo cyberspace. Make we come sit down. We come talk as men. Bring questions from every area, diverse area of life. Bring questions. Make we do debate, quiz, any which way we want them. Make we see who get knowledge. Let be all these greenhorns. It's cold, not on the camera. It's seriously cold today in Dublin. I'm just taking a walk. I said, make I give this challenge because you don't take away greenhorns, shenanigans, let this space. I know people where if they talk for this space, I go even know, say human being they talk. Maybe bush lion they talk, I go listen, because the bush lion is learned. Or this Edo Nation, this guy that used to be PRO for PFN, waiting for Spain, they talk. I go not say human being they talk. But all these retired, frustrated human traffickers, these frustrated human traffickers, we don't fail in all ramification of life. They hear politics, they jump out because they make noise. They make noise. They say now your noise now go change what thing go happen for those states. Who know now? Who know now? If not because of the euphoria of Obaseki was just too sellable then. Now all of you now get opportunity to make noise. Not even do anything for Obaseki. Obaseki just want to share the olive branch because of Abat. Make it give you a small thing. Then no, not do nothing. Not gonna change the vote. Not gonna change nothing. No, not change nothing. Seriously. And seriously, nothing you can change. Shout for all we care. Hello, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Shout all who care. Aswa Godalo is unbeatable, untouchable. It's untouchable. He's the man. Why couldn't they say what you know they sellable? It's so painful. The one that go fall like a sack, maybe the way the cookie crumbles, like a pack of cards. The stainless, whatever. Una just get that momentum there because Obaseki was destined to be the governor. With everything, all the trials, he moved from APC, go PDP. He still win. He still win. Even with the federal might. What would they think? APC, federal might, APC still fail. Obaseki sweep the carpet off their fucking foot. It is the same way when me I said this time around, I will not be in the losing team. Never. And most especially, Obaseki kept to his word. He kept to his word. He kept to his word. That makes me to respect him the more because he told, even when I was campaigning against Obaseki 2020, most of my aunts and brothers, traders welfare, all of them, they attacked me. Work for Obaseki, I don't agree. I don't agree. They called my wife. Talk to your husband. Leave POI. They entice me with money, I don't agree. Work with Obaseki, leave POI. I don't agree. Then, I say I be man of my words. Where I don't stand, there I stand. And since Obaseki can't deliver, he say a word na a bond, I dey respect such person. That's what I do. So based on that, I will not sit down with all these stupid millions where Clement Ranomigo they disburse to greenhorns that masses. Who fight for mega comrades reach me and Ibuzube for this space? Make una check the history. Go back to the archives, 2018, 2019, 2020. Who fight reach for mega comrades for this airspace? Me, Ibuzube. Me and Ibuzube. So they call me houseboy to mega comrade. Then I didn't open a page for myself. I not even open page at the fight for PFM. PFM, they run PFM page. All the names say at the fight for a just cause. Not knowing say mega comrade will come betray Essence. He hates Essence with passion. He hates Essence with passion. If not, in his own myopic way of thinking, saying be freedom fighter. He want justice. He dey fight for the less privileged. He dey fight for the common man. He know say what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. Why is he not say it's the tone of Essence? Because Agba don't give a small thing. The night they disburse money. Me, I use my money to fight for mega comrade. I dash mega comrade, I give you money. I give you money, I still get the receipt. Till tomorrow. The receipt there from my phone. Did you give me a dime? Throughout my days in PFM, did I get a dime from you? Come to the world and tell us. If you give me one dime, because you betrayed Essence, that is why I just quickly distanced myself from you. I used to hold you in high esteem. I used to hold you in high reputation. But when they're going to say there's something fishy, there's something wrong with you, I quickly run. I know the commission. All these Nigerian people, if I swear for them, all these Nigerian people, if I swear for them, go work for Nabodio. And not be Tinubu. We're putting her for hunger and misery. Tinubu put Nigeria for perpetual hunger. My phone no dey rest. My phone no dey rest. Every Dick and Harry they hungry for Nigeria today. Everybody, they hungry. This not be family people. I don't talk about family. If not family, I'm not able to talk. But people I don't know from Adam, they'll just get my phone number from nowhere. The next thing, misery. Stories of misery, of pains. Stories of hardship like never before. I've been here for a while. I never see this kind of hunger for the land. I never see. I have never seen this kind of hunger. It can't be like Armageddon. Now in Nigeria, day to day, Armageddon. In those days when we were kids, they teach us for Bible then. That time when they read this Jehovah Witness Bible, Armageddon. How the end time will be. This is what I am seeing Nigerians towards that direction right now. The hardship, the pains and misery in Nigeria is something else. So if we not put our acts together to quickly disown APC, I think Nigeria go worse past Armageddon. Go worse past Sodom and Gomorrah. Because the rate of porousness of children being born in that country because of hardship, the rate of them to be corrupt, the percentage is so high, seriously so high. No decent family want to raise their children in such society anymore because they are prone to be corrupt. Send them go school. Papa, when send a pikin, 16 years, 17 years old girl go school. Even with the little resource with the papa they give her, no go meet up with the expenses where that pikin go meet for based on daily challenges. Then the pikin will go take phone now, they online. They look for means to make ends meet. And what do? They open their toto. They open their pussy. They open their pussy just to get peanuts. I will block this person now. I think I will block that person. I'm speaking from the real angle as a concerned Nigerian. It's from that dimension I'm speaking from. Person wey beg me money since morning. I tell her say make I take am. You know, let my phone rest. If they call my phone with all impunity as if they get my phone for me. That is what Tinubu and Buhari take Nigeria to be today. They are not thinking well anymore. They think like animals. Seriously. You beg somebody something. You say, wait, at the thinker. You keep on calling the person. You don't know what the person they do. At a point, you go decline the call. The person go still call again. Is this not insanity in the land? My God. I take a walk. I just take a walk. We can talk with the real situation where people put Nigeria. And then look what anybody comment while I'm just talking. It's not a fun video. But I delete and later. But I just want to express how I feel to the sub-human bondage APC put Nigeria under Tinubu and Buhari. Buhari talk and say they go miss her. Seriously. What Tinubu has done is incomparable to what Buhari did. Buhari say Nigeria go miss her. Seriously. I not see this kind of hunger during the time of Buhari. I not see this kind of hunger for the land. All what we were getting was Fulani herdsmen, banditry, but the rate of hunger today in Nigeria, I dey feel am for my phone. Seriously, I can challenge anybody. Say, if you know, say you be man, where they doubt my word, I go tell you, say, I go fit show you what children they send for me because of hunger for Nigeria. He reached to create a porn site. He reached to create a porn site. You go just do your own like this. Somebody go just call you. Once you say your number, na foreign number, you go send you message for Facebook. A friend request, you go accept. Before you know, you go tell you, say, he want give you good time. Me being inquisitive, I will lead them along. I'll send my WhatsApp number for them. What do I get? Immediately I just send WhatsApp number. Nudity. And they will call with video call. I go proof send on their face. They go send their picture, send their pornographic video. That is how Nigeria has gotten to. What moral decadence. And you think, oh, I will be here saying APC has done perfectly great for Nigeria. No. I see us getting to a disaster. We did disaster already. And it's going to be much more disastrous if we're not careful. If we're not careful, it's going to be much more disastrous until we learn to make the right choice to send APC packing as they take come. Tinubu, Pastor Tunde Bakari, and all those Emilio come, they must all go back to where they all come from. We are saying no. We are saying absolutely no to them. They've done enough damages. That brings me to Mega Comrade, the so-called freedom fighter. We say in mean way. Mega Comrade, you are a disappointment. A big disappointment. If you really mean well for Nigeria, you know they call show your papa, Tinubu, your whatever. You are just a psychophant that looks for what you will eat. That's what you are. Now what you go eat, you define. Even as much you say you did for America. Keep on pretending you are working so hard. You're working so hard. You're working so hard. And they come from work and they work so hard. But your character shows otherwise. Everything you be doing after you can't do protest for UK, the last one you did in Germany, everything you be doing shows contrary to what you choose to tell people say you stand for. And they talk to you. I know you. Where? Won't you, we did together for more than 5 to 6 years. Seriously, I'm highly disappointed in you. You go consider if you talk Tinubu na your papa with all these pains and misery in the land. Tinubu na your papa or show na your papa. Mega Comrade, you are a disappointment. Seriously, a disappointment. I never consider and talk your matter. Fast, see that you know say I get your files. Today, what you do. I know I defend you for years. I know I defend you. Where the Murphy talk say you go rape woman for Austria. I know what you fight. Will not be today. They call me, what they're not coming. They were calling me your houseboy on this space. I know where for good. Issues, when I had issues, then I used to take you as a father figure, but somewhere along the line, I have to decide and reduce, kind of do some rethinking about your antecedent. All the years where I know you, I not get cover from you. You not give me one shishi. But I fought for you with my gigabyte. Everything you stood for, I stand for. But obviously, you are a disappointment. Now what you talk? So Akubekia and her co-host, I challenge all of you now on a debate for intellectual argument, intellectual prowess, intellectual ability. If possible, bring the men, bring it on. Bring any man on this space. More can share ideas. More go for debate. And we'll go to any platform. Maybe Elvis, Edigi, Nigeria Watch. He has been neutral. You go call all the men and all the women. We can test our IQ. We can see who they intelligent or who be mumu, who be tomato seller, who just make noise. Because when I come get a force by fire by thunder to get views. No. Get followers, market women. Come become the order of the day. Recluse come become the order of the day. We not gonna get respect for intellectual prowess anymore. We not gonna get respect who get a very higher IQ. No, every fool. Facebook is cheap. If they do exam, say me they take enter Facebook, akubekia, you no go fit enter. If they do say, maybe they throw 50 questions based on current affairs. If you can get 10 before you fit log on to Facebook page, akubekia, you no go fit enter. On current affairs, world current affairs, or Nigeria current affairs, they will say they will answer you 50 questions on current affairs. Make you just get 10 because I see say you be ADD, I cannot. So 10, they cannot say 20, not a pass. F. If you get 10, akubekia, if you can get 10 answers, bring Wahala come, put join. Bring all your squad, put join. 10 questions on current affairs. 50 questions, if you can get 10. On what politics? Nigeria politics, Edo State politics. If you can get 10, then I will doff my heart for you. Bring Omilaki, joy. Omilaki, come. Current affairs, come and challenge me, Omilaki. Unogbabe, we say they speak stupid English. Come when it comes to current affairs. What politics? Maybe if I want to twist in my head, I can't divert to other areas. We can't come up for current affairs. We can't go into philosophy. We can't go into different dimension. That's stark illiteracy every corner. They talk with men, they talk. Let people with me, I feel respect for this space. I have said it. When it comes to intellectual competence, the Bush Lion, the Comrade Show in UK, Elvis Edigi, nobody else. Nobody else apart from this three, maybe this Comrade, Deyooh Nation in Spain. Out of these people are called, nobody gets knowledge. All of them are crayfish, half-baked individuals on this space, making noise, claiming relevance because Facebook is cheap. If not be Facebook, if they say the right exam, enter one office, I go pass 50 times, 50 seconds, I don't finish my script. You go there, they look paper, you don't go feel read. Who na be? Useless, inconsequential fools, necessary fools, every corner. As a way I give you that swag, thinker. I don't challenge come give you. And not because they follow you, they do agbe every morning. Papa Mumu, Oyekure, he goat, she goat. I don't big past that level. Come, we could go for higher level of competition. Not be he goat, not be the kind of Jilidala, the post Jilidala. I don't big past that one. I not fit because they follow you, they put picture on Facebook. I challenge you. Come, bring 10 people. Only me go beat 10 of una. Only me go beat 10 of una. Carry IK, short Motes bottle. Carry Dominion Talk Show, join body. Carry all your squads, join body. Make una come contest me for intellectual prowess, for knowledge, superior knowledge. If I not flush una, we can live una.